we are looking at how to pronounce this contraction. We'll be looking at how to say more confusing vocabulary and expressions from English as well. So this is the contraction of the words could have, as in, if I knew, I could have done better or differently. So if you want to contract this, you can say could have, okay, so could, as you know, you ignore the L, and then of, just put a schwa sound before a V, of. Could have, I could have done that. I could have washed the dishes yesterday. I could have bought the lottery ticket. I could have is how you say it. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate your support. More videos for you here to learn more. See you there. Thanks for watching.